You can lose your energy if things are placed in one way, because it demands more energy to analyze that information around you. See, your senses work this way. Let's say if your eyes are open and you're looking around, whatever you look at, you start thinking about it. It starts happening within you, even if you're not conscious of it, at a subconscious level. That animal is coming towards me, okay, that is white, that is blue, that is red. So there is a information that is always coming in through different senses, and our system is designed this way that we are analyzing, editing, deleting and storing that information. If that chunk of information is simpler, it is easier for you to do all these activities within you. Let's say I give you a task to identify how many digits are there in the number I'm going to speak up. And the number is 9776425528930. You understand it is so difficult to grasp even what I said in one go. Of course, you can't replay the video if it is happening face to face. On the other side, if I ask you, you have to tell what specific digits we have in the number I'm saying and how many are there. And I say it like this: 99977220055. Could you see it is more easier to grasp? Now the question is why? Because they are organized. Because I have picked the digits, similar digits, and kept them together. So it is easier for your brain to analyze that, to process that information, and even to store it. And same is the principle with the space around you. Have you observed it? You enter in some places and you feel restless, you feel suffocating. Not because it doesn't have air conditioning or lights and so far. Everything is in place. But just pay attention. They may be clumsy. They may be random things at one place. It's just a mix-up of things. It is never soothing to a human mind. But on the other side, if a place is neat and clean, if let's say you talk about shoes, there is a place. Shoes are at one place. If you talk about food, it is at one place. If there are chairs, they are kept in a certain way in a room. So if you declutter your space, if you just put things at proper places, and on top of it, if you can organize them, like shirts are together, trousers are together, just experiment this. It will add to the energy of the space. It will enhance the harmony within that space. And you can experiment it right now. Just right now, pause the video. Go and do this. And you will see the same room will start behaving in a different way. Because understand, everything is influencing you, no matter how small or big it is. Even the planets or the stars millions of kilometers away, they are influencing you in one way. And even something which is small as a dust particle, if let's say it goes in your eyes, it can create a havoc within you, isn't it? So everything is influencing us, and not just physically, at energy level as well. Because everything is radiating a certain frequency. It has a one energy pattern around it. So just small thing, when you declutter, if you declutter your table, you will have a different kind of feelings and emotions on the same table. You will be more creative. The ideas will flow more easily. So understand it this way: if you have to drive your car and there's lots of traffic on the road, it becomes difficult. It will demand more energy, more analysis. Should I take the right turn? If I take this much angle, shall I turn my wheel this much? It's too much of work. And if it's too much of work, it means it's waste of energy. And on the other side, if it is a neat and clean road, if it is less traffic, it is easier for your brain to analyze the information. So less energy is engaged. If less energy, it means the loss of energy is less. If loss of energy is less, you'll feel more energetic, isn't it? See, eventually whatever we are doing with the things around us is just so that we feel energetic. Yes? So it's about your energy. But moving those things has a connection with your energy. You can lose your energy if things are placed in one way, because it demands more energy to analyze that information around you. See, your senses work this way. Let's say if your eyes are open and you're looking around, whatever you look at, you start thinking about it. It start happening within you, even if you're not conscious of it, at a subconscious level. That animal is coming towards me, okay, that is white, that is blue, that is red. So there is a information that is always coming in through different senses, and our system is designed this way that we are analyzing, editing, deleting and storing that information. If that chunk of information is simpler, it is easier for you to do all these activities within you, and hence least amount of energy is invested on them. So just by decluttering your room or space, you can increase the energy of it. Because in this process, you're saving your energy in terms of analyzing the information. The amount of energy that will be needed to do this activity, this analysis, will be lesser. So you'll be able to retain your energies and you'll be more energetic. And the space will have a harmony and a balance of its own. Because the collective consciousness has not a mixed energy pattern. There is a synchronicity, there is a flow of energy, there is a rhythm, because things are placed in a way, like things, they feel good. Even if you go and meet somebody of your country, let's say you're going abroad and you find somebody from your nation, all of a sudden there is a joy, you feel nice and it becomes so natural, you gel in well. Same is with the things around, even they have the consciousness. So decluttering and organizing things, keeping same things together, can increase the energy of your space and can bring harmony and peace in that very space for you.